Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change cloud icon to get on App Store. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Once you open the App Store, you want to locate the application where you have the cloud icon. You see, I have the cloud icon on the Mobile Legend application. Then what you need to do to remove the cloud icon from this particular app is click on the profile icon at the top right, locate and click on apps. Once you selected apps, click on my apps, and now come to Note on this iPhone, swipe through, and then locate the application you want to remove that has the cloud icon, which is the Mobile Legend. Then swipe left and click on Hide. So repeat this on all the applications. After that, go ahead and click on Done. Then come back to Search, and now search for the name of the app. And then click on it. Once you click on it, then instead of having the cloud icon, you have the Get button. See that? So that is exactly how to change the cloud icon to Get button on apps on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.